Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like this halo look, please keep on watching, like, subscribe, and comment down below. So the palette I'm going to be using is from Ace Beauty and it's the Grandiose palette. And the first shade I'm going to be using is called Poppy. And I'm just going to be applying it on the crease. Shade I'm going to be using is called Clove, I believe. That's this one right here. I'm going to be applying it on top of the other color. And the brush that I was using is the Luxie 131 mini angled brush. Now going back with the shade Poppy. This brush doesn't have a name because my sister bought it off in Mexico, so I'm not sure the name of the brand. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Light Ivory. What's this one? Now I'm going to go with the shade Jasmine. And I'm going to be using an Alamat Cosmetics brush. Now going back with the shade Poppy. Now going with the shade Rose. And I'm using a Luxie brush. I think it's 740. 741 mini brown brush. Sorry, I don't really see without my glasses. Darken the maroon color. I'm gonna be using Smashbox, and I'm gonna be using this shade right here. Lash line, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. For lashes, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Luxie Lash Kit, and it's the StarStruck. While I wait for the glue to dry on the lashes, I'll be applying Poppy under my lash line. I'm going to be applying the Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. For the highlight on the brow, I'm going to be using the shade Jasmine. And I'll be applying it as well on the and I'll be applying the Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova. And I'm applying the glitter drops on the inner corners as well. For lips, I'll be using the Hank & Henry in the shade Petal Plusher. I'm going to be adding the Wet n Wild in the shade Goth Topic. So this is the end of my tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed. If you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and comment down below what your thoughts were about this tutorial. And thanks for watching.